Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Typeform embed code for Notion. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your Typeform embed code for Notion. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Typeform account. Next, click on YouTube opt-in form or whichever form you want. Then click on Share, which is located here. Now on the left-hand side, click on Embed on a web page. Then click on New Embed, and then click on Start Embedding. Now this is the code that you could actually copy into Notion. You do have a drop-down menu. I normally click on General Embeds and click on Copy the Code. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Typeform embed code for Notion. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.